Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Jam-Dex, Jamaica's central bank digital currency, should be officially launched in April. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark made the announcement as he opened this year's budget debates today. Dr. Clark says the first 100,000 digital wallets set up after April 1 will receive $2,500. Now, Jamaica's central bank digital currency, CBDC, was piloted last year for 8 months up to December. The National Commercial Bank, NCB, is the only deposit-taking institution which participated in the pilot through its Link platform. Now, Dr. Clark says by June, the BOJ expects to have 4 more wallet providers in the system, bringing to a total 5. Now, on the international scene, oil went up at the end of today's session after U.S. President Joe Biden announced a ban on Russian oil and other energy products. Russian President Vladimir Putin has, in response, promised retaliation. The U.S. ban has added to a raft of global sanctions already imposed on Moscow for its invasion of Ukraine. Brent crude ended the session up $4.77 to settle at $127.98 a barrel. U.S. crude's West Texas Intermediate settled up $4.30, closing at $123.70 per barrel. It's costing an average $154.50 for the U.S. currency. $120.33 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $204.35 for the pound, while the euro is costing an average $170.24. Meanwhile, the JSE index advanced by 1,556 points today, while the junior market index declined by 91 points. Among today's winners were cargo handlers, Stanley Motor Ordinary Shares, Spur Tree Spices Jamaica, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, and Epley, while on the losing side were Fesco Ordinary Shares, Margaritaville Turks, Tropical Battery, Iron Rock Insurance Company, and Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.